Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Delicious and Easy Home Cooking. Tonight, we're tackling a dish that's going to become your new weeknight favorite. It's truly a game changer for busy schedules.
We're making a fantastic dump and bake chickpea curry rice casserole. This recipe is all about maximizing flavor with minimum effort.
Perfect for anyone who loves great food but has limited time. You're going to love how simple and satisfying this is. Imagine a wholesome, flavorful meal that requires almost no pre-cooking or fuss. You simply combine everything in one dish, pop it in the oven, and let the magic happen. This casserole is truly a one-pot wonder. It's packed with plant-based protein from chickpeas and hearty vegetables like cauliflower and peas. Plus, it's infused with aromatic curry spices that will fill your kitchen with an incredible scent. This is comfort food at its finest, made simple. So, if you're looking for a healthy, delicious, and incredibly easy dinner solution, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the ingredients we'll need for this culinary marvel. Get ready to simplify your dinner routine. First up, let's talk about the stars of our dish. You'll need uncooked long-grain white rice. Jasmine or basmati works beautifully here. Avoid instant rice, as it won't cook correctly with this method. Next, grab some canned chickpeas. Make sure to drain and rinse them thoroughly before adding them to the casserole. They provide a wonderful texture and protein boost. For our vegetables, we're using frozen cauliflower florets and frozen green peas. Using frozen veggies is a brilliant shortcut that saves on prep time without sacrificing nutrition or flavor. No chopping required. Now, for the flavor base that brings this casserole to life. We'll be using red curry paste for a rich, spicy depth. Adjust the amount to your preferred level of heat. Creamy coconut milk is essential for that signature curry richness and helps the rice cook beautifully. Full-fat coconut milk will give you the best results and a luxurious texture. To round out the liquid, we'll use vegetable broth. This ensures the rice cooks evenly and absorbs all those wonderful flavors. You can use low-sodium broth if you prefer.
Don't forget some aromatic essentials like minced garlic and grated fresh ginger.
These elevate the flavor profile significantly. A little onion, finely diced, also adds a great foundation. Finally, a touch of brown sugar or maple syrup helps balance the savory and spicy notes of the curry. A squeeze of fresh lime juice at the end brightens everything up. Now for the fun part, the dump and bake. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll need a large baking dish, approximately 9 by 13 inches, to comfortably hold all our ingredients. Start by adding your uncooked rice directly into the baking dish. Spread it out evenly across the bottom. This forms the foundation of our casserole. Next, scatter the drained and rinsed chickpeas over the rice. Then add the frozen cauliflower florets and the frozen green peas. There's no need to thaw the vegetables beforehand. In a separate bowl, whisk together your red curry paste, coconut milk, and vegetable broth. Make sure the curry paste is fully dissolved and incorporated into the liquid. Add your minced garlic, grated ginger, and diced onion to this liquid mixture. Stir everything well to combine all those amazing aromatics. This creates our flavorful curry sauce. Carefully pour this curry liquid mixture over the rice and vegetables in the baking dish. Make sure the liquid covers most of the rice. Gently stir to ensure everything is evenly distributed and submerged. Add the brown sugar or maple syrup at this point, stirring it into the liquid. Give it one final gentle stir to ensure all components are thoroughly mixed before baking. This is truly as simple as it sounds. Once your casserole is assembled and ready, it's time to let the oven do its work. Cover the baking dish tightly with aluminum foil. This traps the steam, which is crucial for cooking the rice perfectly. Place the covered dish into your preheated 375 degree Fahrenheit oven. Let it bake for 35 to 40 minutes. During this initial phase, the rice will absorb the liquid and begin to cook. After this time, carefully remove the foil. Give the casserole a gentle stir to redistribute any ingredients and check the liquid level. The rice should be mostly cooked, but might still be a little firm. Now, return the uncovered dish to the oven for an additional 15 to 20 minutes. This second baking phase allows any remaining liquid to evaporate, helps the top get a little crispy, and ensures everything is cooked through. The casserole is done when the rice is tender and has absorbed all the liquid, and the vegetables are cooked to your liking. The top might have a slightly golden crust. If you find the rice isn't quite tender enough, you can add a splash more broth or water, recover it, and bake for another 5 to 10 minutes. Ovens can vary, so adjust as needed. Once it's ready, carefully remove the casserole from the oven. Let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes before serving. This resting period allows the flavors to meld and the rice to fully set. When your chickpea curry rice casserole is fresh out of the oven and rested, it's ready to be enjoyed. The aroma alone will have everyone eager for dinner. Squeeze a generous amount of fresh lime juice over the entire casserole before serving. The brightness of the lime really cuts through the richness of the curry and enhances all the flavors. Garnish with some freshly chopped cilantro or green onions for a pop of color and an extra layer of freshness. These simple additions make a big difference. This casserole is a complete meal on its own, but it pairs wonderfully with a side of warm naan bread or a simple green salad. The bread is perfect for scooping up all that delicious curry sauce. For those who enjoy a bit more heat, a drizzle of chili oil or a sprinkle of red pepper flakes would be a fantastic addition. Customize it to your spice preference. If you want to experiment with other vegetables, feel free to swap in or add chopped bell peppers, spinach, or sweet potatoes. Just ensure they are cut into similar sized pieces for even cooking.
You can also switch up the protein. While chickpeas are wonderful, cubed paneer or even chicken would work well if you're not strictly vegetarian. Just adjust the baking time for meat. This casserole also makes for fantastic leftovers. Store any remaining portions in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 to 4 days. It reheats beautifully in the microwave. And there you have it, a truly spectacular dump and bake chickpea curry rice casserole. It's comforting, incredibly flavorful, and unbelievably easy to make. This recipe is a testament to how simple home cooking can be. You've created a wholesome, satisfying meal with minimal effort and cleanup. That's a win-win in any busy household. This dish proves that convenience doesn't mean sacrificing taste or nutrition. I encourage you to give this recipe a try this week. It's perfect for those evenings when you want something delicious but don't have hours to spend in the kitchen. Your taste buds will thank you. Thank you for joining me today. Happy cooking, and I'll see you next time for more easy and delicious meals. Enjoy your incredible casserole.